Hi guys, welcome back to Family and Fit. Today is Poverty Meal Prep 007. I think that's 77. Okay, so tried to do my hair a little bit different. Oh, but wait, I got something to show you guys. It's a little bit off and I have no clue why someone would put something in a bag that looks like this. So hold on, one second. Look at this. This was in a sweet potato bag. What the heck is it? Is it like a sweet potato nut or something? I'm just kidding. I've never seen it look like this though. It's so crazy. Look. Okay, so I'm done playing around. Now we're gonna get to the real thing. I am making something a little bit different. I've made it before and it's really good and appetizing. It is a dinner. Last week, I think I did like a dessert. Now I'm going to do a dinner. Actually, we're gonna have it tonight. Jumping into this. Okay, what we are making today is a loaded baked sweet potato. Oh my god, like I'm sure everyone likes sweet potatoes, or if you do, continue watching. See what this meal brings you, and hopefully it brings you guys good value. It has a lot of protein sources in it, so for you guys that are trying to boost your protein, it has a lot of protein in it. So now, going to the ingredients. One of the ingredients is sweet potatoes. You have to wash them, and they say scrub them. I scrubbed them with my hands. I'm not like gonna take a brush and scrub them. I'm pretty for sure that's not what you're supposed to do. Anyway, why I say anyways? I'm pretty for sure you guys, you hear me say anyways in all my videos, and it's so aggravating because I don't know why I say it. Here's the sweet potato. They kind of look weird. I've never really bought sweet potatoes that look like this, and I've never bought sweet potatoes in a bag. This is the bag that the sweet potatoes come in. Normally, I pick them myself. I was running out of time, so I had to make it as fast as possible. Picked up like 3 bags of sweet potatoes. They look like this. Normally, I take my time and pick them out, but I did not have time. Oh my god, I just dropped one. Good thing I'm not using that. I was really crunching on time and didn't have a lot of time, so this is what we get. I didn't pick them out. Next time I will. Let me pick this one up the floor. I'm not putting it back in the bag, guys. Trust me. That is so disgusting. I would never do that. Greek yogurt. Everyone says, why put Greek yogurt in a sweet potato? That would be like so disgusting. Well, it is a good protein source instead of using sour cream. I'm not gonna do that. I have a little mixture I'm gonna mix up with this, so it goes good for what I'm making. Non-fat Greek yogurt, Mexican style cheese. These are the ingredients I'm gonna be using. Taco seasoning, and it is 25% less sodium, so that's good. Don't want your sodiums too high. Salsa. Actually, it is like thick and chunky, mild salsa. It should be like so good. Chili powder, brown cumin, pink salt, olive oil, red bell pepper. First, I'm going to poke holes in the top of the sweet potato. Then I'm gonna put the sweet potatoes on the cooking tray. Probably baking tray, sounds more like professional. And then I'm gonna put it in the oven for 45 minutes on 400 degrees. So now, well, I'm gonna mix up some different ingredients while that is in the oven. I'm going to put the Greek yogurt and taco seasoning into this small little bowl right here, and we're gonna mix it up and see what we get. bang of this taco seasoning in it, and it's 15 calories for 6 servings, so 90 calories. Right here I have the Greek yogurt along with taco seasoning, which is 15 calories for 6 servings, which is 90 calories. So we got that in here, and there's literally like 6 ingredients that you have to count the calories on. The rest of them are zero calories. So now I'm gonna go ahead, cut the bell pepper and the onion up. So now I'm gonna put bell peppers, the onion. I'm actually adding an onion, so just to let you guys know that. A bell pepper and onion, and I'm gonna put 1/2 of a cup of olive oil into the pan. Then I'm gonna cook this for about 5 to 10 minutes on medium high. But as you can see, they are a little bit brown. See? The bell peppers and onions are a little bit brown. So now I'm going to go ahead and add in the black beans. So I'm going to add all of them in for 100 calories, which this goes into the whole meal, so it's not per serving. You guys want your black beans drained, a little bit moist, but not too dry. A little bit moist. A little bit moist, but not too dry. But make sure you drain the black beans, or this will not turn out how good and perfect you want it to be. Here I am just gonna add in the black beans into this lovely texture. So there we got the black beans in. Now we're gonna add a pinch of salt. So a pinch of pink salt, just like, I didn't pour it in there, guys. It's literally in my hand, okay? A pinch, and you just can sprinkle a little bit of salt on there just to get the black beans a little bit salty. And then you're going to add a little bit of cumin, a little bit of that, just to get a overall look on it, just to add some texture and some taste. And then you're just gonna add a little bit of chili pepper on top, just to get like the delicious look. Then some cayenne pepper, you're gonna add a little bit of that. And like that. I'll take it off the burner for a minute and let you guys see what I got. But for like my eyes, it looks really good. I don't know about you guys, but this looks amazing. So this is what we got. Okay, so we're just gonna let onions, the red peppers, and the cumin, chili pepper, cayenne pepper, the salt, the black beans, just cooking this for another 5 minutes. We're gonna go on to our other thing. In the meantime, I'm going to check on the sweet potatoes to see how they're doing, to make sure they're not too done. You never know, you don't want them too done. Or maybe you do want stuff too done, I don't know. So, looks really delicious. Little texture going on here. Gotta check it out. Look. Oh. Looks good. I have like an old-fashioned oven, guys. Like, this is old-fashioned. Check it out. I got a new stovetop, but an old-fashioned oven. You guys think I should upgrade? Put down in the comments below if you guys think I should upgrade. And make sure, if you haven't yet, subscribe to this channel. Give it a like and a thumbs up if you like this video. So delicioso. So now the sweet potatoes are out of the oven. Put the ingredients in them. But first off, we're gonna slice these sweet potatoes down the middle, lengthwise, inside of the potato. That way the ingredients can sit in there firm and nicely. as you guys can see, this is what the finished product looks like. I added Greek yogurt and taco seasoning, which is this mixture right here. I added that on top of the beans, onions, and bell peppers. The next layer was on top of that, and I added 2 tablespoons of the cheese on this meal, and I added mild salsa, and I added 2 tablespoons of that. I will put the macros on the screen. If you guys like this video, make sure you subscribe if you're not already for more poverty meal preps. Catch you in the next one or next week. So, I really love poverty meal prep. Oh my god, like, doesn't that look good? Even though there's no meat in it, doesn't that look good?